Good afternoon, everyone. So, this afternoon, I will be presenting to you a design technology enhanced assessment and feedback system for a language learning unit. So now let me present to you the learning objective of this unit. So by the end of this unit, learners will be able to recognize and correctly pronounce at least 20 new vocabulary words related to food, school, and daily routines. Next one is use at least 15 of these words accurately in oral and written sentences. Next, demonstrate comprehension of new vocabulary through interactive quizzes and multimedia tasks with at least 80% accuracy. And the last one is collaboratively create a short digital story using target vocabulary with minimal teacher guidance. Now let us proceed to the assessment tools and justification. So for the first tool, we use Quizlet. So the assessment type of this tool is formative assessment, wherein Quizlet enables spaced repetition and multimedia flashcards which aid vocabulary retention. It also allows teachers to track progress and see which words students struggle with. It features audio pronunciation, image association, automatic scoring, gamified models like Match and Learn. It supports Objective 1 and 3 by reinforcing recognition and pronunciation. So for the second tool, we have the Google Forms with embedded audio and images. The next tool is the Google Forms with embedded audio and images. The assessment type of this tool is the formative and summative assessment, wherein the Google Forms supports diverse question formats, including multiple choice and matching, with audio and image support for contextualized vocabulary assessment. It features auto scoring, real time feedback, exportable analytics for data analysis, and it also supports Objective 1, 2, and 3 by assessing comprehension and usage. For the next and last tool, we have the Flipgrid or Flip. The assessment type of this tool is a performance based and formative assessment. Flip allows learners to record short video or audio responses using target vocabulary, ideal for shy learners and provides practice in oral production. This features video recording, student collaboration, teacher responses with video, audio, text feedback, and it's aligned with Objective 2 and 4 through speaking and collaborative storytelling. So now let's proceed to the assessment activities of this language learning unit. So for the day 1 and 2, we have the vocabulary practice with Quizlet. So in here, students study flashcards, then complete gamified quizzes. It is based on individual and online basis. Assessment goal is to reinforce pronunciation and recognition. For the day 3, we have the vocabulary comprehension quiz using Google Forms. So in here, the students complete a 15-question quiz with visuals and audio clues, and it evaluates understanding and retention of vocabulary. For the day 4 and 5, it is called as digital storytelling on Flipgrid. So in pairs, students create and record a 1-minute video using at least 10 vocabulary words. So the assessment goal of this activity is to assess vocabulary usage in a meaningful context in oral communication. So now we are inbound to the rationale part of this language learning unit. So the design of this unit integrates assessment and feedback tools that cater specifically to beginner English learners, focusing on vocabulary acquisition. The selected tools such as Quizlet, Google Forms, and Flipgrid offer a comprehensive approach to formative and summative assessments while supporting multiple learning styles such as visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Alignment with objectives and learner needs, Quizlet's image and audio features reinforce vocabulary recognition and pronunciation that is both crucial for beginner learners. The gamified design increases engagement and accommodates learners with limited attention spans. Google Forms, enriched with images and audio, assess contextual understanding and recall. These tools align directly with the learning objectives by providing targeted and measurable outcomes. Flip supports speaking practice in a non-threatening environment, helping shy or anxious students practice vocabulary in context aligning with oral production and goals. Despite the benefits, technology integration poses challenges. Technical issues can hinder participation, and to mitigate this, we, language educators, should ensure all students have access to devices and offer tutorials for unfamiliar tools. Accessibility is addressed by choosing tools with multilingual support and screen reader compatibility. In conclusion, this technology enhanced unit leverages digital tools not only to assess a vocabulary acquisition effectively, but also to provide rich, actionable feedback. It promotes learner engagement, supports diverse learning styles, and enhances teacher decision making through data informed instruction, which all essential for a successful language learning in the digital age.